Hello and welcome to Machine Learning with Python. We know humans learn from experiences, but can humans train machines from past data? Yes, and this is what machine learning is all about. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence focused on extracting knowledge from data to help humans in different fields. For example, making data-driven decisions in companies, image, facial, and speech recognition systems, medical diagnosis, self-deriving cars, and lots of other fields. If you would like to experience scientific computing in Python using Numpy library, learn how to represent data using graphical forms with Matplotlib library, get familiar with Pandas library tools to work with datasets, get familiar with the intuition behind different machine learning algorithms, learn how to implement machine learning algorithms using Scikit-learn library, and learn how to evaluate the performance of models. You are the target audience for this course. Take your first steps on your journey to machine learning with Python. The demand for machine learning experts with Python experience is high. There are various job positions for them. In this course, after raising a series of introductory topics on machine learning and Python, you will get familiar with Numpy, Matplotlib, and Pandas. We will discuss regression, classification, unsupervised learning, and eventually, you have some final tasks to help you better learn the topics. Enroll today at techclass.com.